So if no message exists, then we should remove. There is one condition as well, and we have to write this condition in our message controller. We have to check if count do this C is equals to chat find request chat ID. Once we will find, we will gonna say C messages. If it is greater than 1, we will gonna do this like fst first 0, else first is equals to 1. What this will mean is that if it is the first message, then just clear the old render display and replace it with the message, otherwise append it. So we're gonna save it. We're gonna head to our custom.js, and here we will have a little condition here: if response fst is equals to 1, which means the message is there, then we will just append it. Else we will gonna make it HTML. That's the condition to make it work. And let's say John. For us, first message for John, send it. Great. And for us, second message for John. Okay, so it shouldn't remove, it should append. So there is an issue. First is equals to 0. Let me do one thing. Sorry, not here. Here. I think I'm making some mistake over here. Hold on. If count is bigger than 1, then 0. And if it is 0, then append. Let me copy all this. And we have to find this. And yeah, in here, we're gonna have this condition: if resp is equals to 0, then we will gonna have another argument. Var fst is equals to 0, else var fst is equals to 1. fst, and that's the thing. And here fst null. Or we can say 0. Okay, I think now it will work. Let's see. Yes. Save all this, and here is our there is one thing which is still not working, the scroll. Okay, so In the next video, we're gonna fix the scroll. It is not working right now, so take care for now. Bye bye.